Hello, and welcome to today's 2-Minute Book Review. We're covering Fantasy Football Unleashed, 55 Tips, Tricks, and Ways to Win at Fantasy Football by Andy Holloway. If you're a fantasy football player looking to up your game and dominate your league, this is the book for you. Fantasy Football Unleashed is packed with valuable insights and strategies from one of the top fantasy football analysts in the industry. Andy Holloway shares his proven methods for evaluating players, building a winning roster, and making smart decisions throughout the season. One of the things we really like about this book is that it's written in a down-to-earth, easy-to-understand style. Andy breaks down complex concepts into simple, actionable steps that anyone can follow. It's also full of helpful examples and case studies that illustrate the concepts in real-world situations. Overall, we recommend Fantasy Football Unleashed to any fantasy football player who wants to take their game to the next level. Whether you're a seasoned veteran or a beginner, you'll find plenty of valuable tips and tricks in this book. If it helps, in the video description, you'll find additional key concepts and pros and cons to consider before picking up Fantasy Football Unleashed. That's our 2-minute review of Fantasy Football Unleashed. Be sure to like and subscribe to get notified of our next 2-minute book review. Until next time, enjoy learning something new and dominating your next league.